Hello and welcome everybody. So today's episode is about installing multimedia controls into the steering wheel of this Toyota Corolla. So this is a Toyota Corolla 1.6 Altis. So first of all, you need to arrange the parts and you need to have the right tools to do the right job. So in this case, the parts required are these multimedia controls and the clock spring. So I have arranged this complete steering wheel which already have the multimedia control and cruise control stick installed in it, and we will change the clock spring and connect it to the infotainment system to make it work. So I'll demonstrate how to do it. Now we need to remove the steering wheel to replace the clock spring and the steering wheel, and also we need to remove these panels to access the back side of this infotainment system for connection with multimedia system in the steering wheel. Now it is a pretty simple job to remove this cover. You just need to disconnect this. You just need to remove these three balls with a click and the steering cover is removed. Now you need to remove the steering wheel. Center the steering wheel properly. It took me a little long to remove the steering wheel because the center part was a little bit rusted, so that's why it was stuck in the middle. Now you need to remove this cover to access the clock spring. This is the old clock spring. Now we will install the new one. Remove this panel to access the back side of this infotainment system. So the dash has been unstripped to access the infotainment system. Identify these three cables which are tagged as SWC, which means steering wheel controls. So there is SW1, SW2 and SW3. You need to connect these three wires to the clock spring. These are the three wires that would be connected to SWC 1, 2 and 3. So the three wires have been connected, so we'll put the infotainment system back. Okay, so after having connected those three wires from the back of this head unit to the clock spring just behind this steering wheel, you need to program these keys with the infotainment system in order to make it work. So we'll show it how to do it, and we have removed the cruise control stick because the existing ECU does not have that functionality, and in order to make the cruise control work you need to change the ECU and wire it up. So we have removed the cruise control stick from here and we will put this cover in place, and I'll show you how to. You need to reset this settings and push this button and select a volume key. It is programmed now. Now select the minus button and program it with this key. Look, it is programmed now. Select channel button. It is programmed now. Select channel minus and select this button. Telephone answer button, select this one. It is programmed now. And so on. So this is how it is going to work. Once you are done with it, press this save button. So once you have programmed those keys, you can select between different sources, for example like this. Now you can change the volume. For the time being, I have configured this mode button to mute it. For example, now it's mute. But you can change those settings, like whatever button you would like to select, you can program it for the intended purpose. So leave these airbag wires like this because they are of no use, because this car does not have any airbag. And connect this horn wire and put the cover back. And it is done. It looks beautiful. And this is how it looks like now. So this is the final look. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.